In this video, I'll show you how to export your code files from Google AI Studio. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Now go to the Build section. From here, click on Apps. Now you will see all your projects. Select the app for which you want to export the code. Once your app opens, you will be on the preview page. Now look at the top right corner. Here, click on Download App. Your project will download as a zip file. Now go to your Downloads folder and drag the file to your desktop. Right-click on it and click Extract All. This will unzip your project files. Now open the extracted folder. You will see all your code files inside. If you want to edit the code, you can open the folder in a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Just drag the folder into the editor and you can start editing. And that's it. That's how you export code files from Google AI Studio.